That's our stuff, of course. Which is nice. If you drive, or even if you don't drive, I guess, get a carrier for your stuff. Okay, in we come. Loews Royal Pacific. Nice little vanity area with mirror. This is the bathroom. I'll turn the light on. Bathroom. Shower. Looks like it's got the adjustable heads. Very nice. Standard bathtub. And we have toiletry products. Right now they're not doing housekeeping, but she said that we can always call and ask for more towels, as well as toiletry items. She said that we can request housekeeping, but they need 3 hours notice. Nice big mirror. I told her I was fine with not having housekeeping. All I needed was towels. So then we turn directly to the right. We have a huge, huge closet. Of course, you see the safe that's right there and the pull out for your luggage. This is nice. So the safe is probably digital. It is just like your regular hotel safe. So I'm gonna close these back up. And again, turn around and see that we're a pretty good distance from the door with the bathroom, okay? So now we come into the bedroom. This is a 2 queen. And you can see the decor's pretty. TV's on behind us. Again, these are queens. My son hiding over there behind the chair. Excuse this nice big window with curtains. The view. We have a lagoon view. This is a water view. She asked me when at check-in if I wanted pool lagoon. I told her that the lagoon would be nice. It wouldn't be, it'd be prettier than the pool. But you can see lots of foliage. What's nice about these is you can see the blackout. So there is a blackout curtain that's behind the regular curtain, just like many hotels. Or you can just do the sheer. I love that option. I love it when hotels do that. Okay, now I'm gonna spin around and you can see the desk. Nice big desk. Seat. And of course, your dresser has drawers in it. I'm sure this is probably, it is. This is where the fridge is. So we have a fridge. And then this drawer looks like it pulls out coffee and tea. Got a nice little personal Keurig. Whoop whoop! So if you want to bring your own flavor of coffee, you can. Nice little personal Keurig, or they provide it. Cups, ice bucket is down there, and a little bitty fridge. Not the freezer kind, just a little bitty fridge. Good to hold drinks. Then of course your typical drawers. And let's look for outlets. So outlets, we have a two outlets here. That's a USB. Then we have an iHome alarm clock, which has the port, if your case will allow that. This is a cordless phone, if you need to call down with lights on. We just flip right here. Okay. Oh yeah, look, my daughter just pointed out. They gave us hand sanitizer. Of course, we have plenty. I don't know what flavor it is. And then, so that's one USB. And then if I go over here to the table, it looks like we have, turn the light on, babe. One more. And a little reading light with another. So now we're at 3. Actual USB ports. Over here, it looks like we have some nice little reading lights as well that you can flip on. Nice. This is padded. So there's a padded headboard. Looks like 4 pillows. So I only see 3 USB ports, but there's 4 outlets. So if you have more than that, then bring your cubes with you. Shot of the bathroom again. And I'm gonna step back so that you can see just how long this room is. My kids are in the picture a bit. So it's a pretty decent sized room. And this is just your standard 2 queen room at Loews Royal Pacific. So this would be the cheapest room that you would be able to get into on property. And this room also allows for the express pass, and it's an unlimited express pass. And upon check-in, they will give you this key, and it has your dates of stay on it. This is your room key as well as your express pass key, and you will pick up your tickets at the kiosk. You can also charge with this key if you leave a credit card on file, which we did, because I have teenagers, as many of you know, and this is the reason that I did it, because now all of them can charge and we don't have to worry about getting separated or, hey, go in there and grab this for me. And we will not be taking credit cards into the park. They will be going into the safe like we do when we travel. So we're super excited about this room. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.